What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to install something really awesome. It's a Barnacle Widget. Now you may ask yourself, what is a Barnacle Widget? Well, a Barnacle Widget is an onboard computer that reads out the ECU and can also detect fault codes. So without further ado, let's install it. This is a close-up of the widget. I redesigned the front plate to make it fit the speedo. On the back you can see the spot where the wires need to go. Here you can see a side by side of the old part and the new part. Now we need to make it fit the shroud. In order to fit the widget, we have to trim the inside of the speedo. And of course, a little bit more because it still didn't fit. Now professionally put it in place with hot glue. There are 4 wires. One goes to a 12-volt source and the others go to a cable that connects to a connector in the engine bay.
Well, by now I know a thing or two on how to remove dashboard stuff. So, here we go again. Disconnect the connector on the back of the engine, then plug in the new cable. Now try to find an opening in your firewall and get the cable through there.
Well, the device is installed. It's time to explain to you how to change the settings of the device using a Bluetooth app on your cell phone. With the app you can change all sorts of stuff what you want to see on the device. For example, I right now have RPM, water temperature and battery charge. But if you want something else you can change it in the app. Well, with the app you can also erase your fault codes. But be careful with this, it can also damage stuff. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next episode. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss that episode.